This is the Bodyweight Cyclist squat. So for this exercise, the only piece of equipment we need is a slant board, or what we could do is use 2 squat wedges. And if you don't have that, you can also use a 25 or 45 pound weight plate. And what we'll do is just elevate the back of our heels onto the weight plate, and you can get a similar effect of the slant board. Well, for today, I'm going to use the slant board. So to begin, you'll just slowly walk back up onto the slant board. And for the cyclist squat, our feet are much more narrow. So you want to bring them as close together as you can. In a normal squat, your stance is quite a bit wider than what you have here. So feet close together. You also want to keep a proud chest and keep your shoulders back, maintaining a vertical torso. We don't at any time want to round forward in this exercise. And you can use your hands out in front of you as sort of a counterbalance. If you don't need to, maybe you'll just keep them close to your chest. Eventually, we'll probably want to get into the dumbbell or kettlebell goblet cyclist squat. So if your hands are here, you can kind of work towards that, but I'll leave them out here. So to begin, just take a big deep breath, maintain a vertical torso, and then slowly control yourself down. The goal with this exercise is to get low enough that your hamstrings actually touch the back of your calves. If you can do that, that is quite good in terms of the range of motion for this exercise. If not, we will work towards that. So down in the bottom position, and then coming back up for 1 rep. Again, I'll show you once more. Big deep breath, maintaining a vertical torso, and back up. So what I like about this variation is just the depth that you can get. In a normal squat, some people are limited by their ankle mobility, so they're not able to get down quite as low as they could on a cyclist squat. And you also may find that you feel this exercise more in your quads than a normal squat because of the depth and the stance of your feet. So yeah, awesome exercise. Again, it's the Bodyweight Cyclist squat.